Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 portable EV charger. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Portable EV charger. The Apengen EV Charger 16A11kW is a reliable and efficient solution for hybrid and electric vehicles. Featuring a Type 2 IX62169C plug, it supports fast and safe charging while allowing adjustable current settings to suit different power needs. The built-in timer adds convenience, enabling scheduled charging to optimize electricity usage. Compact and durable, it's easy to install at home or workplace. Ideal for EV owners seeking a high-quality, versatile, and user-friendly charging solution. Highly recommended for consistent performance. Number 2. Portable EV charger. The AFEV 32A 7.2 kW EV charger is a versatile and reliable solution for electric vehicle owners. Compatible with both Type 1 and Type 2 connectors, it delivers fast 7.2 kW charging, making daily use convenient and efficient. Its portable design allows easy installation and mobility. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity paired with the intuitive app control offers real-time monitoring, scheduling, and smart management of your charging sessions. Durable, safe, and user-friendly, this charger is perfect for home or on-the-go EV charging needs. Number 3. Portable EV charger. The TESH Portable EV charger is a versatile and reliable charging solution for electric vehicles. Supporting 220V and 7 kW output with adjustable 32A current, it ensures fast and safe charging. Its compatibility with J1772 TYPE1, IEC 62196 TYPE2, and GBT standards makes it suitable for a wide range of EVs. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home or on-the-go use. Built with safety features and durable materials, this charger delivers efficiency, convenience, and peace of mind for every EV owner. Number 4. Portable EV charger. The portable 11kW 16A EV charger is a reliable and convenient solution for electric vehicle owners. Compatible with Type 2 IEC 62196 2 connectors, it supports fast and safe charging for EVs and FEVs. Its sturdy EVs charging box and 5-meter C-plug cable provide flexibility and ease of use, whether at home or on the go. Lightweight and portable, it ensures hassle-free transport and setup. Overall, this charger combines efficiency, safety, and practicality, making it a must-have for any EV owner. Number 5. Portable EV charger. The AFEV 22kW 32A 3-phase EV charging station is a robust and versatile solution for home or commercial use. With TYPE2 IEC 62196 2 compatibility and a C-plug, it supports fast 7.6 kW 11 kW charging at 16A, making it suitable for various EVs. Wall-mounted design ensures space-saving installation, while Wi-Fi and app control allow convenient remote monitoring and scheduling. Its durable build, reliable performance, and smart features make it an excellent choice for efficient and hassle-free EV charging. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.